how to jump throw bind after update CS2. I'm going to tell you how to jump throw bind after the update on CS2. A lot of videos or tutorials are no longer working today, so I'm gonna give you a link that is still working. You can just pause the video to get this link and download and try it on your own. So that's gonna be github.com/counterschool/jumpthrow-cs2. Keep in mind that people are saying that this may get you banned since Steam doesn't want you to use any key binds, so use it at your own risk. Just copy it, paste it into your file inside your CS2 config folder, and you're good to go. But again, keep in mind that download and install at your own risk.